relationship you'll see between two tables in a database. So what is a one-to-many relationship? Well, a one-to-many relationship is where a primary key of one table can be in multiple rows of data as a foreign key in another table. So let's take a look at an example here. So from our coffee store database, we had a customers table and an orders table. And obviously a customer can place many orders over many days as they like. So they can come into the store on multiple days, order multiple orders, but one particular order can only relate to one customer. So this is known as a one-to-many relationship. So the customer can place many orders, but a particular order can only be related to one customer. So the customers and orders table share a one-to-many relationship. And you can see that represented in the diagram between the two tables. So it's saying that one customer can place many orders, but a particular order ID can only be associated to one customer. So if you like, the ID field in the customers table would show up many times in the orders table as a customer ID foreign key, but the primary key in the orders table will only relate to one customer. And we know this because each new row in the orders table will have a unique order ID. So this is what we mean by one-to-many relationships in databases, and it's the most common type of relationship